Hello, this is Ahmad Awad. In this lesson, we are gonna learn how to subtract polynomial. In the previous lesson, we learned how to add polynomial. Subtracting polynomial is the same as we do in adding polynomial. We just collect like terms. Okay. So here, if we have two polynomial like that, 5x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2, as we did with adding, but here I will do an additional step, which is let's distribute this negative sign over the second one and write it as one expression. So here it will be equal 5x plus 4 as given, put it down, and let's distribute this sign over the second binomial. So negative 3x, it will be minus 3x, and negative positive 2, it will be negative 2. Now, as we always did, first determine the like terms. The like terms, let's remember, which have same letter with the same power, as here 5x and negative 3x. Let's collect them. Yes, 5x minus 3x, we get 2x. And what else? We still have like terms, which are positive 2 and positive 4 and negative 2. So 4 minus 2, we get positive 2. So now we finish subtract this polynomial. Another example. X squared minus 4x minus 6 minus negative x minus 3. Okay. The same first step, write the first one as given, x squared minus 4x minus 6. The second one, distribute the negative sign outside over all the elements. When we multiply, don't forget we can use the Chinese face. So here when we multiply negative by negative x, we get positive x. Negative multiply negative 3, we get negative positive 3. Or we can say we just change, if we have a negative sign outside the bracket, we change all the signs inside the second bracket. If it's positive, make it negative, and if it's negative, we make it positive. So now here we have expression, so let's simplify by collecting like terms. Let's move one by one. X squared. Is there any like term for x squared? The answer is no. So we put it down. Now, x and x, two like terms, negative 4x and positive x, as we always do. First, we deal with the numbers. Here, x, don't forget, it means we have one x. Now, what we have? Negative 4 and positive 1. Negative 4 and positive 1. So when we collect them, we take the sign of the bigger, negative, and subtract because we have different signs, so we get negative 3x. And the last terms are what? Negative 6 and positive 3. The same, we have different sign. Negative 6 and positive 3, different signs, so we take the sign of the bigger, good, which is negative, and subtract 6 minus 3, we get 3. And now we collect all the like terms, so we finish subtracting these two binomials. Let's do another example. Let's do it. Here we have 3x. Let's rewrite it to make it more clear. 3x to the power of 3 multiply 2x to the power of 2 minus 5x. Let's remember how can we use distributive property. Don't forget, when we use distributive property, we multiply all the element outside by all the element inside. We have here only one element outside the bracket, so we multiply. And when we multiply, don't forget, number by number, sign by sign, and letter by letter. And when we multiply same letters, good, we add the powers. Okay, so here let's multiply 3x to the power of 3 by 2x to the power of 2. Both of them positive, so it will be positive. 3 multiply 2, we get 6. X to the power of 3 multiply x to the power of 2, we get x to the power of 5. We add the power. The next, positive 3x to the power of 3 multiply negative 5x, so positive multiply negative, we get negative. 3 multiply 5, we get 15, and x to the power of 3 multiply x, we get x to the power of 4. Okay. Okay guys, here we have negative 3x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5 minus 2x multiply 5x minus 4. First, for each polynomial we have an element outside it. So first step, we need to use distributive property to get the product of each one of them. So here, let's use the same way, sign by sign, negative by positive, negative. 3 multiply 2, we get 6. X to the power of 2 multiply x, we get x to the power of 3. Now, multiply by the second term, negative 3x to the power of 2 multiply positive 5. Good, quickly, it will be negative 15x to the power of 2. The same here, negative 2x multiplied by 5x minus 4, so it will be negative 10x to the power of 2 by multiplying these two terms, and plus, because negative multiply negative, we get positive. Negative multiply 2 multiply 2x multiply 4, we get 8x. It's not finished. What is the next step? Good, it's collecting like terms. The like terms here are the terms which have same letter with same power. What about x to the power of 3? No like terms, so we put it down. Negative 6x to the power of 3. And here collect have the same sign, so we put the sign down and add, we get negative 25x to the power of 2. And no like terms to 8x, so put it down with its sign. Okay. Here you can find more example to check your understanding. Okay guys, give yourself 10 minutes and try to solve these questions. Okay, thank you for watching.